What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 ways that you can make money online and work from home. Yes, you can do this from home. All you need is a laptop and you don't need to start a big company or anything like that. You can do these on the side and you can potentially make around about $100 per day or more. And we're going to go through and explain every single method step by step. Now make sure you stay to the end, guys. I'm also going to show you a method that you've probably never heard of before. And before we jump into this stuff, guys, make sure you tap that subscribe button, tap that notification bell so you know when my next video releases, and smash that like button. So we're going to jump straight into this one today, guys. And number one is really cool, and it's kind of on an upcoming trend. There are a lot of people wanting to do this particular method, and that is called a chat customer service representative. And the reason people want to do this is because it's actually really easy to do. All you have to do is sit at your computer, work for a particular company doing customer service over a chatbot. And this is growing at a fast rate because we have so many new apps coming out now, so many new softwares, so many new websites starting that need chat support. And I pay someone to do this myself on some of my blogs. And it's really easy. So let's say someone has a question and you can't answer that particular question. You know basic stuff about the software or the website. All they do, the chatbot service representatives, is forward the more serious problem, the actual big support team. They don't know how to answer that question. So I think that this is a great way to make a little bit of money, and you can make a good hourly rate. So from the research I've done, the rate starts at around about $10 per hour and goes all the way up to $20 per hour, depending on what particular company you work for. But the best thing is the average is around about $14, which is quite good. You can make $100 a day on $14 an hour quite easily. In fact, if you can get a job that will give you work every single day doing this, then you can easily make a weekly wage, no problem at all. So that's number one, guys, chat customer service representative. Now, number two, guys, is one of my favorites, and I do this every day, and I've been doing this for years. Now, most people think this method is dead, but I can tell you right now, it's far from dead. I know people making millions of dollars a year. I make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with this, and that is blogging. Now, the thing with blogging, guys, is you are usually interested in something, whether it be fishing, knitting, making money online, surfing, and you can start a blog about that particular topic. Now, here's a bit of a tip. When you start a blog, people always say, what kind of articles do I write? Well, what should I do? Simple. Always start your titles if you get stuck with how to. So if you're starting a surfing blog, how to surf 10-foot waves, how to clean your surfboard, how to fix your broken surfboard. If you use how to as your starting point for a topic, you will never run out of ideas. And when you start a blog, guys, just keep putting out content, and eventually Google will start to see you as an authority in that particular niche, and you will get more traffic, you'll make more money, you'll rank for more keywords. But the problem is with blogging is everyone gives up because they don't see results straight away. Now, with blogging, you're not going to make $100 a day straight away, but you can make thousands of dollars per day if you just put the work in and be patient and let Google do its job and get you traffic. So blogging is number two, guys. And that's how I got started online, guys, and I make good money with blogging today. Now, number three is really easy, and that is being a transcriber. And you can make between $10 all the way up to $50 per hour doing this particular method. And it's simple. I get people to transcribe things for me all the time. All you want to do is go to a transcribe website, and they will give you jobs transcribing videos, audios into text. This is simple to do. You're literally getting paid to type. And I do this all the time. What I do is I go and take my YouTube videos, I transcribe them, and then I transfer that text onto my blog. So I can go and rank in Google, and it saves me writing out an entire article. So I'm paying someone to do that for me. So a transcriber is really simple to do. Anybody can do it. It's not hard to become a transcriber. We don't need to stick on this one very long because it's simple. You simply transcribe video and audio into text, and you get paid to do that particular method. Now, number four, guys, is a great way to make money online. And I actually do this myself as well. And that is flipping digital real estate. So what you want to do is go to a website like justdropped.com, and what happens is every single day expired domains get put up for sale. and some of them are really OG names, and you can actually buy these names and resell them. What I do is every day I'll go on, and sometimes I will, sometimes I won't, but I'll buy a name and I'll sit on those names for a while, and then I'll just sell them if I feel like selling them. Or you can sell them straight away, or you can actually start an entire business by flipping digital real estate. It's simple. You buy a product for a price, which is the domain name. You sell that product for a profit. It's that simple, and you can sell it on websites like Flipper, Sudo.com, and you can make money by selling these particular domains online. And the best thing is you can really sell it for whatever you want. Now, obviously, you're only going to get what it's actually worth, but on justdrops.com, you can usually pick these domains up for $100. And it's a pretty good chance you're going to be able to sell these for more than $100 and make a profit, because some of these names are crazy and people actually want to buy these particular domains off you. And some of them you'll be able to sell for $20, $30 more. Some of them you might be able to sell for $10,000 or $20,000. It really just depends on the particular name you get. And obviously, you're going to have to find the good names quickly. So what I recommend you do is sign up to their newsletter, and then you'll get sent the list every single day. I get sent the list at around about 11 p.m. every single night. I wait for it, I go through and I see if I can pick up one or two OG domains that I can hold and then sell for a profit later on in the future. So that's domain flipping, guys. Finding digital real estate and selling it for a profit. It is highly profitable. Now, number 5, guys, is really easy, and literally anybody can do this, and that is to become a virtual assistant. I pay people every single day to do stuff for me that's really easy to do, like check emails, do customer support on my software. A virtual assistant is someone that gets trained to do something for a company, so you don't actually need many skills. What happens is someone like me who owns an online business, I can't be bothered, or I'm too busy to do my emails every single day. I need someone else to do that for me. But I don't go and look for a virtual assistant that already has skills. I look for a cheap virtual assistant that I can actually train up to do the specific task that I need, whether it be emails, writing something for me, or whatever I basically want. So the problem with the virtual assistants is a lot of people think they actually need to have some sort of skill now, and you don't. You can go out and be a virtual assistant straight away by going to websites like Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and you can go and look for people who are looking for virtual assistants, and they will train you up to do the specific task that they need for their business. Becoming a virtual assistant is really easy to do. I actually recommend this for anybody that doesn't have any skills online and they don't really know where to start with making money. And yes, you can make $100 a day doing this. People will pay good money for a good virtual assistant that saves them money in the long run and saves them time. I would rather pay someone $100 a day to do my emails than me, because I know that I will make more money if I focus my time on more important stuff in my business. Now, number 6, guys, you probably don't really hear about much online, and that is become a Shopify store creator. So I have a large Shopify course called ecommerce.com. We have over 15,000 members. And all the time I get asked, Franklin, can you create a store for me? Do you know someone who can create a store for me? Because a lot of people don't know how to do it. Now, creating a Shopify store is simple. You can get a free theme from Shopify, you can import some products, make it look pretty, put a logo on, and you can charge time for doing that. You can charge for your services. It's very easy to do. I know people who are charging $500, $1,000 to do this, a couple of $100. It really depends on how well you make the store, but you can become a Shopify store creator and make stores for people. And you can also do this for blogging. You can make blogs for people. You can make general websites for people. And it is a lucrative business model, and you can make good money, and you can do this from home, because there's so many people out there that don't know how to start and build their own Shopify stores online. And Shopify is getting very, very popular, and dropshipping is just going crazy right now. So it's definitely something you might want to look into if you're looking to make some money online from home. Now, the next one, guys, number 7, I think we're up to, is a YouTube channel. Now, this is very common. You probably hear everybody saying YouTube channel, YouTube channel. Now, a lot of people also say that there's not much money to be made on YouTube. Well, it depends on the niche. This particular channel you're watching right now does 5 figures per month. That is over $10,000. But it's only a small channel. Yes, 100,000 subscribers is small compared to a lot of other channels. But the reason it makes good money is because it's in a niche that is a high CPM. So people pay a lot of money to advertise on this particular channel. Now, the best thing about a YouTube channel, guys, is it becomes extremely passive, and you don't need flash gear to actually start a YouTube channel. You can do it with your mobile phone, you can do it with the crappiest camera you've got. You don't even need flash lighting like I have right here. You can simply just start doing videos, which is exactly what I started doing when I started doing YouTube. My videos were the worst. But YouTube, guys, is a very good way to make money from home. In fact, it's probably better than blogging because it's a lot easier to do. With blogging, you have to write an article, you have to check it, you have to kind of like make sure it's all good, and it can take a couple of days to do a really good authoritative article. With YouTube, you can make a video in like 10 to 20 minutes. It takes about an hour to edit and export, it takes about 10 minutes to upload. You can have a video done, completed, and uploaded onto YouTube within around about 2 hours. It's not that hard to do, and they apparently most of the internet traffic is going to be YouTube by 2022 because more people are watching videos. We can watch videos on our phones, our computers, on our TV, on our tablets. We can watch YouTube anywhere. In fact, I have YouTube playing in the background when I'm driving and I want to listen to my music that I have on my watch list. So YouTube, guys, is a very profitable way to make money online and work from home if you want to jump into it. Now, it can be hard to get views and stuff, but just go onto YouTube and blogs and learn how to get views on your YouTube channel. It actually is a lot easier than you might think, and you just need to optimize videos properly and all that sort of good stuff, and you'll start to get traffic to your YouTube videos. And it's not that hard at all, to be honest. It's actually quite easy once you get the hang of it. Now, number 9, guys, is something you might need a little bit of skill for. However, you might have these skills, I'm not sure. But this is becoming an online tutor. So you can tutor people, you can teach people, you can help people with things like reading, math, English. You're basically becoming a school teacher online. And this is becoming extremely popular as well. Guys, online is changing the world. We have Uber. We have flying drones now that deliver food. I can get anything to my house whenever I want via an app. Well, it's the same with teaching. You can go online now and you can help people looking to be taught things, looking for help with their homework, English, math, even physical education, even social studies, any particular topic you can think of in school. You can help people do that online and you can get paid extremely well for this. Now, I don't know how much you can earn per hour. I didn't research that, but I assume it would be pretty good money because I do actually know someone that does this for a full-time living. They are an online teacher and that's how they make their money. And they have a pretty nice house and car, so I assume they do pretty well doing this particular thing. They do the exact thing I'm telling you, an online tutor. They work from home, they never leave home to go to a job, and they do this particular method and they make good money. So you can become an online tutor, guys, and this is a great way to make some money online. And there's plenty of websites you can choose. Just go online and look for some to get started. Now, number 9, guys, is pretty broad, but you can become a freelancer. You can write articles, you can help people design websites, you can do graphic design, you can edit videos, you can do video thumbnails. You can become a freelancer and do something that you have a skill in. You can become a freelancer and literally anything online if you have a particular skill. Now, the thing is, people like me who have big online businesses, we outsource nearly everything to people online. It's this big group of businesses that outsource so much stuff. So there's really no excuse. If you have some sort of skill, you can definitely go out and be a freelancer online, and you can use websites like Upwork.com and Freelancer.com to do this particular stuff. It's not that hard to do, guys. You go on, you basically look for people who are looking for particular things to be done, and you offer your services. Now, you're not always going to get the job, but you can get very good jobs making good money. For example, I pay someone to do my landing pages. I pay them nearly, I think about $90 per hour. Sometimes I pay him like $8,000 for one job. He's good at his job. I probably pay a bit too much, but he's good at his job. But that's the kind of stuff you can do, guys. If you find that one customer that's willing to have you on long term, then you can make really good money being a freelancer. Now, number 10, guys, is something that you might not have ever heard about, and that is called being a middleman. Now, this is kind of strange, but let me explain. So being a middleman is simple. There's people online like Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and they say, hey, I need to get a logo created. I'm willing to pay $200. Well, you can go onto logo making websites, and you can, for $100 or $90, you can say, hey, I need to get a logo made, and people would submit their logos and you pick one. So you're essentially becoming the middleman. You find a job that someone wants to get done, you say, hey, I can do this, and then you outsource it to someone as well. And this is perfectly legal. Plenty of people do this, and it is a great way to make some money. You know, when you're drop shipping, you're a middleman. You take someone's order, you give it to the supplier, they ship it out, and you make a profit from dropshipping. It's kind of like that, but in different industries. You are essentially going out looking for people who are looking for freelancers. You take their work, and then you go and find someone to do that for you. A classic example would be, let's say, hey, Franklin, me, I go onto Upwork and I say, hey, I need to get a 1,000-word article written. I'm willing to pay $100. You could say, hey, Franklin, I'll do this job for you. Then you can go to iWriter.com and you can probably get that article made for $20 or $50. So you've potentially doubled your money just by being a middleman. Now, if you want to learn how to make more money online, guys, I will leave some videos up on the screen. I'll leave one on how you can make money online, the best way for beginners. And I'll also leave a playlist that you can go through and learn about affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, guys, if you want to know when my next videos come out, and I'll see you on the next one.